Hard to find 2.26 acre acreage in a prime location right on the edge of Ottumwa, this property offers the space, setting, and convenience acreage buyers are looking for, with a peaceful rural feel, just minutes from town amenities and easy access off a hard surface road. The outside features are what set this property apart. The flat usable yard offers room to garden, homestead, hobby farm, or simply enjoy the rural lifestyle. You'll find flower beds near the house, a garden area by the shed, and plenty of space to make the property your own. The driveway wraps around to the back of the home, providing excellent parking and easy access to the 30 by 60 insulated machine shed with concrete floors, ideal for storage, vehicles, equipment, hobbies, or a workshop. A standout feature is the city-owned pond bordering the south side of the property. With your own gate for fishing access, you can enjoy the water without the maintenance. The home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and just over 1,200 square feet on the main level. It is a solid home with good bones and a practical layout. A nice front deck with a ramp adds convenience, while the open field views provide a peaceful place to watch the corn, grow, and enjoy the occasional wildlife. This property delivers the country lifestyle, convenience to town, and a setting that is hard to beat.
My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.